हजुर हवस् धन्यवाद धन्यवाद
Hello.
Hello, hi, hi,
Yeah, my car 30-day permit.
You want to It's a long distance bus, right?
Yeah, bus. We have a bus facilities transportation in Nepal as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. In your country, every children have to go to school.
Yeah. It depends upon the family whether they can provide
If they don't want to go,
as per their wish.
okay. Government don't care about it.
No, we have a public school in every rural area.
Yeah.
Then it depends upon the family whether they want to send their children or not. But the government doesn't have a good eye on the children situation.
Uh-huh.
Past few years ago. But now, currently, they are doing kind of good, like including school facilities, like they are providing good food to the children, dresses, everything. When I was a kid, I didn't get any good education in my village because I never went regularly, and the government didn't look an eye, so there was less facility.
Oh.
But now it's good.
Now it's good.
It's a little bit improving.
Do the government chasing the kids to the school?
Some does.
Some does.
Some.
Not all of them.
Yeah.
Half of them. In my country, in Tibet, they're just chasing the kids. You have to go to school, even not. Your bonus is gone. Not give you money again. Because the government give them a lot of money every year.
China looks, the government looks after the citizen. Right? So
Sometimes too much. We don't need it.
Oh, wait a minute. I think we should pass something like bridge like this.
I don't know.
Let me check. This building has been recently built by the government for the hosting party or doing some culture, wedding, something like that.
Oh.
So this is my home.
Where?
Yeah, this. Not good, not bad. Okay.
Don't say that. Tibetans still have something like that.
Oh, my life. Yes, he do business in here. My mom, my dad.
Yeah.
So before 2015 earthquake, we had
Yeah.
only one this building, you know. So
By the stone.
yeah. The roof was
Okay.
made up.
Hello, namaste.
She's my mom,
Yeah, I saw.
and she's my
Sister.
no sister, my brother wife,
Ah.
and he's my brother.
Ah.
We are from same. I told you right, uncle from my father's side.
Okay.
My father had three. My father is the eldest son in his family.
Yeah.
So my father and we have another brother in the end, and one brother is here, and his father is the smallest in my family, in his family.
Okay.
So we have some goods here I can grab. Maybe you can go inside and have some rest.
Okay, thank you.
So this is my room.
This is your room.
Not my room, her room.
Where is your room?
My room. I don't have a room. I sleep anywhere I like. You know?
Really?
Because I came here only here for a short time. You wanna drink black tea?
Just the
or
water.
tea?
Water. 축구. 우리
Kuni
축구통데 아마
beide bescheiden.
우리 끝은 제야.
So you can see here.
Yeah.
Are you comfortable?
I'm fine. I didn't travel around there. Don't need to worry about me.
Yeah, feel like home.
What?
Feel like your home.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
किनकि माथि युरोप चल्दैन क्या कहाँ बनाउँदा यति धेरै एडिट गर्नुपर्छ यहाँको मात्रै होइन यहाँ काठमाडौँको हामीले कति खिचेको कफको जे enjoying with mom JJ enjoying with mom Is it okay?
ये मोबाइल में आउँछ मोबाइलमा आउँछ तिमीले
mà cho bé chứ mà cả bài cho bé chút cơ mà tốt quá lẹ mẹ ô tay của lẹ ra kẹt lẹ bụng đi rồi
Mẹ tính cái cô video rồi này
cá da rồi
cá da rồi cá lại mình chưa Sexy boy.
Not that one.
This one. He's sexy boy. This one. This one is sexy boy. Oh yeah, you know. Rob again. Oh, let's get him here. You let another.
Mado. Nest coffee đi. Body coffee Mado.
We go from here.
Really?
Okay. You wanna go now?
Yeah, go.
Nepali coffee.
I want to taste it. I want to taste it. How the feeling with?
It's similar to. Yeah.
It's a little bit different.
Yeah, a little bit.
Hello, namaste, everyone. Chachi dele. What?
Just kidding me.
Why? What's that for?
See? Just
Ah. Looks similar. Like Kathmandu people say that. Hello.
Hambo.
Hello.
Chachi
Chachi dele. ¿Cómo dele? ¿Cómo dele? Da.
Mutili.
Yeah. Afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Usually cook chicken and potato, dal, local food.
Ah. What's she doing?
Who?
My friend. What? Oh, she farmed the yaks. She farmed yaks.
Okay.
No do. No
Notte?
do.
Notte mancino. Hello.
No yak.
Yeah. Ah, I got it. Notte. Yeah, chop.
Oh, yo, that gaso la. Yung la gaso. Yapuduri, that yapuduri.
그 로직 약국 채널이지? 약국 맨날.
약국 같다.
Ka.
그래 그만.
She wants to see yak.
Oh, yak.
Yeah.
I have YouTube.
I can show her.
Yeah, lots of yak.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for reminding me. 그거 유럽 우선에 because J. 그림이 언제
那怎么办？
그림이에게
今年去
비디오
年
먹자고
雨呀那么好呢。
비디오
这夏天到了，早一点买一点渣嘛，渣盲目买的，那可以的。夏天超多的嘛，现在别的地方超多的，日喀则上面有些地方超多的嘛。能买的话买一点放着的，冬天的话那麻烦了。
나오실 때도 나 남씨 똑바로는 그림이 배가 언제?
How
그리고 열갈 때가 막아서 뭐.
What he doing?
He's writing something.
지.
먹고 싶어. 그림이 배가 언제인데?
이거 봐.
배가 미나 뭐야?
뭐 그런 거 왜?
그 언제도 근데 아무런 통지도 없나?
말도
뉴스만. You're gonna click. Sorry. I said that. When you put picture of her in YouTube, I said I will show her, and she's a little bit curious to see herself in YouTube. 약국가 언제오는? 그 어느 게 그 쌍길이 어떠다 베라 My dad is coming today.
Oh, okay.
Mini ya bunu ngeten. Orang mechi me bunu. Again, she's worried about you.
Why?
She said that don't I have to give you snacks for you?
What's that?
She's telling me that
Yeah.
don't I have to give snacks for you?
You don't need it.
Yeah, I said that we already eat, but then she's worried.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Kami beche mamu tungja minggola.
You just worry about it.
beche mamu tungna tira di orang
The
kya tuya tiku kabu ngola ani jema kipur orang kabu ngola. Tanda na beche mamu tunga memdu go. Coffee tunga membu coffee ngola.
any Nepali making Nepali coffee or something?
Here,
Yeah.
Nepali coffee the maybe I can check.
The store.
Nescafe.
Not a cafe. I want to buy a big pack.
Maybe you can get. There's one small shop there. Black coffee or
Sit here. Can we? Here comfortable. Can we?
milk tea, right? Milk coffee.
Yeah. Buff Momo.
Black tea, black coffee, milk coffee, lemon tea, drinks Coke, Fanta, lemon ice with Coke, lemon ice with Fanta, water, buff momo, buff kulpa, buff keema noodle, buff chowmin, buff chili, buff tinduk, tingmo. That's all.
What's the Timo?
Tingmo is Tibetan bread. It's I think they boil, not exactly boiled, but they are made from steam. With help of steam, they cook it.
Timo.
Tingmo. Yes, tingmo.
What's the M coffee? Milk coffee.
Milk coffee.
We got a coffee.
And two यहाँ हो हाथ हाथ नरक देखिए बनी हाथ हाथ इन्हें ना देखिए यार कितनी नहीं देखिए क्या देखिए ये देखिए पट्टा बोले उन्होंने पट्टा बोले देखिए भाई
That's okay, don't worry.
Oh, no, no. Put it just like that. No, put up, put up.
अन्डा हुनु पर्ने
तपाईले आज भिडियो चाहिँ अन्डा भएको
आउँछ
Kuni orang ke basti, orang dorang pulang time itu.
Hello.
जुन त हिलो बस्ने हैन
हिलोइमा त बस्दैन पालेको
This one is very hard.
Yeah, I know that. You never eat it out before?
I have, but I've never touched.
Okay.
We need in my course we have to learn how to cut the fish, how to get rid of the skin. We have to learn all the knife skill, like knife skill.
Your life skill.
No. Knife.
Okay, knife.
I got it. Just the carrot. Namchi top.
Do you want to go right?
Yeah.
And get something. So, it's Geelong. The price is already high. You get something maybe cheaper than here, but not really cheaper than somewhere.
What about the quality?
Them. Nah, I'm good.
Automatic गाडीमा छ एउटा सानो के भन आफै हुन्छ यता हो त सबै के एउटा 3
जुमसुम गर्न नि नमिल्ने हो क्या
छलन दाइ जुमजुम त हैन मिल्दैन यो
त्यतिकै
Can we zoom it?
No.
नजुमी
No zooming. Only simple ones.
You want candy?
No. Oh, forgot not why I need a candy. I have a lot of candy.
I went to this house.
Yeah.
That is my uncle's house.
Uncle.
I stayed here for 1 hour, and I thought of going with them to work, but then my mom told me not to go because I have guests, so I didn't.
Go. Let's go. Please go down there.
Maybe I can carry it.
Get it up.
My brother passed away.
Yeah. Go here.
For what?
Yeah, so good in the woman.
What do you?
I'm so good. You get one for you. Learn how to put that back. Cái gì đó mà, tôi nói sao nó bằng một chứ? Đừng kia đấy, tao mới này. Cho nó đến không có mình bán ăn được.
Okay.
It's my brother's shop.
Ah. Need more stuff.
Then it's for. If you want anything, grab it.
No.
We have Red Bull.
Yeah. Maybe we buy later. How much for that?
I don't know. I have to ask brother.
You was nothing, you know that.
No, because I haven't never been in the shop.
They imported from China.
Yeah. It's all from China.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I had Chinese on it.
This one's from China. This one's China. Oh. Except this. And this.
And this. Right?
I went to visit my uncle.
One. No, I have it.
Pilot.
We can buy, go buy.
Here. You can buy.
Wait. You just have one. Oh,
If you want Chinese, here.
no Chinese. I
If you
can
want
buy.
Nepali, here. It's secret. This is the cheapest one.
Which one?
This one we bought in Kathmandu. The cheapest
Oh.
one, only one pack.
Just like that. So
Yeah.
This one, right? This one same thing.
No.
No same. Parrot.
This one is a little bit
No filter.
filter. Yeah.
Oh.
We
Okay.
bought in Kathmandu
Maybe
one piece.
we need to buy.
If you want anything, you can buy from here. No need to buy from around here.
Hey, sure.
Just get it.
Sure.
Maybe you can try one. I'll pay.
No. Don't need it. Just put it back.
Or if you want to try.
What's that?
Same.
I know that. That's almost something,
No,
right?
it's. You can smoke with
Different.
me. Yeah.
Just
This one.
put it. No.
I'll pay.
No. You cannot do it.
I can pay.
We got more.
Yeah.
More stuff. Maybe he's gonna.
In China, what's the price of this one?
12.
12, yeah? For one?
Yeah.
One.
No. One pack.
Fine. In here,
How much?
Nepal, Nepal, 2020.
Yeah. You here?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I mean, if you convert 12 yan into Nepali, because, sorry, if you convert 12 yan into Nepali, it's 2028, but in Nepal, I guess, 260 to 70.
Really? That's a lot. Very.
If you want some.
I don't want to go back to China. I can find it anyway, right?
If you want this, I can get you.
Of course, I need a Nepali one. Not in China, Chinese cigarette.
खरं इकडे उलट गेला नव्हतो ना उलट ढाका बघा होते ना ओला
अनि म त उसको ड्याडी हैन
आउनु न सबैलाई बस के हुँदैन आउनु म पनि लाने दिदी आउनु आउनु दिदी फोटो अस्ति दिने सरले खिच्यो हे यार आटा हाय
मोटो मोटो पनि ल्याप्छ
मुडी पनि एक ठाउँ गए
मोटो मोटो ल्याप्छ
saya nak. Sama boleh. Orang mau lang lah. Orang ambil mobil member. Oh, फिर कवर से चोक लो देब्रे पाको है यहाँ हेर त्यही घडी बनाउनु घडी बनाउने घडी यहाँ हेर त्यही त्यही भएर अघि गरेको होइन
त्यो सोनामाहरू पनि हेर्नुपर्ने होला है
सोनमको पर्दैन हाम्रो सोनम ट्रेनमा चौरा ठिकै छ